Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down Buildkite. It's an important idea in DevOps. So, what is Buildkite? Buildkite runs CI pipelines on your own infrastructure with a cloud-based control plane. It's one of the core ideas in DevOps. Here are the key things to know about Buildkite. First, hybrid model, agents on your infra. Also, dynamic pipeline generation. Another key point, security and compliance for enterprises. On top of that, plugins for extensibility. Finally, popular with large-scale builds. And that's Buildkite in simple terms. Come back for another DevOps concept tomorrow.